first start by distributing the outside variable or the outside term to both of the terms on the inside. So we have to take f times f, which is notated here, bring down your subtraction sign, and then f times 6, which is notated here. Here we have f to the first power times f to the first power. So when you are multiplying bases that are the same, you add the exponents. So f times f is actually f to the second power. Over here we have f times 6, which ends up being 6f. So our final equivalent expression is f to the second power minus 6f. Here's our second example. In this example, we have our outside term in the back of our parentheses. When we rewrite it, we can actually move it to the front. You can multiply in any order, so I like to put our outside term first. Again, we need to distribute the 5g to both terms on the inside of the parentheses. So here we have 5g times 0.2g plus 5g times 1. So when we do our math here, we do 5 times 0.2. We end up with 1. We do g times g, which means we need to add our exponents. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we end up with g squared, so 1g squared. Over here, 5g times 1 is just 5g. Our final answer, we do not need the 1. That 1 is invisible. So our final answer is just g squared plus 5g. Here's our last example. We have negative 4x parentheses x minus 7. We need to be careful with this one. We have a negative number being multiplied. So I like to circle it to make sure I don't forget that we have that negative there. So here we have negative 4x times x. Bring down your minus. And then we have negative 4x times 7 in this one. So here we have negative 4 times 1 in front of the x here, so we get negative 4. And then x times x is x squared. We bring down our minus. Over here, negative 4 times 7 is negative 28. And then we have our x. We need to take care of this situation right here. We have a negative and a minus, and we don't want that. In previous videos, we've talked about minus and negative is the same thing as adding. So our final answer is going to be negative 4x squared plus 28x.